Hi, so I'm Mr. Gincola. I teach drafting design, engineering, architecture, and computer science here at SRHS High School. And I want to walk you through some of the stuff that we have for this class. So you can see right here, we're looking at drafting design 1, 2, and 3, 4 together. They are separate classes. They are each a year-long class, which is why it says 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. So what do you do within drafting design? Well, you learn how to use design software to create parts for the real world applications. Okay, we designed mousetrap cars, CO2 cars, hovercrafts, and we've started getting into and adapting some remote control technology within it to actually drive them around instead of just have them float. We utilize 3D printers for part creation. We work with robotics, so we build some robotic stuff. Some of the students right now are working with our Arduinos to learn how to control some servos to actually build the robotic movement. So we design and build custom RC cars and planes. That's more in the advanced class, that 3-4 class. So if you really like the drafting intro class, that 3-4 class starts to take it into a new level. This year we're building some true full-fledged RC cars. They go about 30-35 miles an hour inside the building, but we don't drive them that fast in here. Otherwise, because they break, and you can talk to me about that breaking. And then the last big thing that we do within both classes is we build catapults. And the catapults we do, they launch softballs 200 to 300 feet with like not that much weight. So we get into some real design and build challenges in there. So if this is something that you look at, this would be a great class for you. Okay, if you like building hands-on, and start to apply what you're learning in your math and science classes. This would be great. These are some of the parts and pieces that students have come up with. We have not printed these yet, but these are some of the things. So there you can see some of the RC cars. Those are just body-wise. We run our cars naked or no shells. So what do you get out of a drafting class? Okay, what you're getting is a 1.0 occupational ed credit or a 1.0 elective credit. Okay. Now, those courses can also give you a recovery math credit of a 0.5. That means that if you take that class for the whole year, and let's say you do terrible your junior, sophomore year when you're taking that Algebra 3-4 class, this class can satisfy 0.5 of that credit, okay? What you can also get is 3 credits per year of college credit, 3 credits per year for CBC, okay? Meaning that you can get up to 6 credits through CBC's link program there. Now, if you go to a different college or something like that, that actually translates into electives if you go outside of the drafting engineering program or something like that. But most engineering programs will take that as their entry-level engineering drafting course. Okay, and you can see some of the other projects. We do CO2 cars, Perry the Platypus up there, and we have the Mousetrap car down below, along with bridge, balsa wood bridges we do too. And so we have lots of fun within this class. Like I said, if you want to learn how your math that you do in class actually applies in the real world, this is the class for you. Okay. If you want to, I don't want to say play with things, see things break, test materials, and in general have some fun, this is the class for you. Okay.